Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this device. Start by accessing Tools folder and click in Recorder app. Now select Allow in the pop-up, select Standard over here and select one of those options. Standard Meeting on Interview. I will go with Standard though, so I will just click on it over here. And now if you wish to start your recording, tap on the red button. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, you need to click on this flag icon, and if you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the check mark. Now name it however you wish to, choose save, and as you can see, my recording is here. You can play it by tapping on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, choose delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!